But after this, ladies and gentlemen, our volunteers will definitely be certified for your dancers. So I want you to do the same thing as the man Cecil. Yes. Oh, your baby. As he put a little remix into it. This looks like he's mixing it with a little kung fu. Looks good, looks good. And Mr. Paparazzi over this side is enjoying this moment. I'm telling you, Cecil, this is your last show. All your volunteers, leave your show tonight.